Hello students, this is Devarchana Raut, lecturer in computer science. In our previous slides, we have already discussed about what is stack, how insertion and deletion or push and pop operation is done in stack. From today's slide, we will be discussing a very important topic, that is Polish notation and its conversion, or infix notation, prefix notation, and postfix notation of any arithmetic expression. So before moving forward to the notations, let's know what is an arithmetic expression. It is a syntactically correct combination of numbers, operands, operator, parenthesis, and variable. The arithmetic expression results in a numeric value. So we can say arithmetic expression is a combination of some numbers, either some variables or some constant numbers or some operands, any type of operands, operators like plus, minus, division, multiplication, parenthesis sign, that is bracket sign, either it may be half bracket, square bracket, or curly bracket. In the stack organization is very effective in evaluating arithmetic expression. Expression are usually represented in what is known as infix notation. So let's see what is infix notation. In infix notation, or we can say the proper arithmetic expression we actually write normally is the infix notation. In this, each operator is written between two operands. So for example, if I take two operands like variable a and b, so in between it, the operator is written. That is, it may be plus or minus, that is a plus b or a minus b or a divided by b or a multiplied by b. So here a and b are two operands, and in between it a operator is been fixed. So this is in fixed notation. With this notation we must distinguish between two different forms of writing. Like if we see a plus b multiplied by c, so we will get two different values of it when it is written with the help of a parenthesis sign. That is, if a plus b is written in brackets multiplied by c, its value is different, whereas when a plus b multiplied by c is written in brackets, its value is different. Thus, the order of the operators and the operands in the arithmetic expression could not uniquely determine the order in which the operations can be performed. So, the value of 5 plus 1 multiplied by 6, if we put parenthesis at the very first step of the operator, that is 5 plus 1, then the answer will be 36. But if we put the parenthesis at the second part, that is 1 multiplied by 6, then the answer will be 11. So according to the position or according to the parenthesis sign, the value also different, the values are also different in the arithmetic expression. So basically we will see how to solve the problems of any arithmetic expression, what are the factors that affect while solving a arithmetic expression. So basically, the operations in arithmetic expression are operated according to some rule. This rule is known as precedence priority of operators. So what is precedence priority of operators? So precedence priority means which operator we are going to perform or we are going to solve first while seeing it. So there would be, for example, 5 to 7 operators in an arithmetic expression. So precedence priority of operators means among those 5 to 6 operators, which operator should be given more priority or should be given more preference or should be solved first. So we have a precedence priority according to which the problems or the operators will be solved in an arithmetic expression. So the first priority is given to the brackets. It can be either half bracket, curly brackets, or the square brackets. When in an arithmetic expression we see the brackets first, it will be solved at the very first position. Next, the exponential sign will be given the next priority, or we can say the priorities, the power sign will be given the next priority. After that, the multiplication and division are of same precedence priority. That is the third position. At third position, we have multiplication and division as the precedence priority, and at the end we have addition and subtraction, plus and minus operator at the last precedence priority. So we have already seen the precedence priority of operators. That is, first we have brackets, then we have power sign, then we have multiplication and division sign, then we have addition and subtraction. But the question arises that if in one arithmetic operation we find that there is a multiplication sign and there is a division sign, okay, then what should be the priority precedence? At that point of time comes the associativity rule. That is, if in an arithmetic expression we see the operators of same priority, then we have to follow the associativity rule. That is, from which side to which side of the arithmetic expression we should move so that we can find the operator to be solved. That is, when we are solving any arithmetic expression and there is, for example, multiple number of power signs, so which power sign should we actually solve first? So here the associativity rule says we have to move from right to left of the arithmetic expression and the first occurring power sign will be solved first. Okay, so moving from right to left of an arithmetic expression is the associativity rule. Next, we have multiplication and division. While when in an arithmetic expression, the multiplication and division both arrives at in one arithmetic expression, then we have to check the associativity rule from left to right. That means in an arithmetic expression from left to right, which operator comes first, either it may be multiplication or it may be division, it will be solved first. Similarly, in addition and subtraction case also, the associativity rule moves from left to right of the arithmetic expression to find out which operator comes first and that will be solved first. So this is our precedence priority of operators and associativity rule. Here are some examples by which we can actually solve any arithmetic expression by the help of precedence priority of operators and associativity rule. So according to precedence priority, we already know here in the first example we have 5 plus 1 multiplied by 6. So according to the precedence priority, obviously in between plus and multiplication, multiplication is of higher priority. So 1 multiplied by 6 will be done first. That is, the answer is lastly 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. Here is the same question, but the arithmetic expression at the first position is engraved with bracket sign, enclosed with bracket sign. So we already know the first precedence priority is given to the brackets. So first 5 plus 1 in the brackets will be solved and the answer will be 6 multiplied by 6, that is 36. Here in the third example we have 1 plus 2 multiplied by 5 plus 30 divided by 5. So obviously we already know, we can see that multiplication and division are the first precedence priority but are of same precedence priority in one arithmetic expression. So what we have to do here, we have to use the associativity rule where we have to move from left to right, so that moving from left to right says that the multiplication comes first before the division sign. So moving from left to right, we have the multiplication sign coming first. So we will be solving this expression first, that is 2 multiplied by 5, that is 10 here. Then we have a plus sign, we have another plus sign and one division sign. Obviously the with in between plus sign and division sign is of higher priority. So next 30 divided 5 will be solved as 6. Now we have plus and plus of same priority, that is normally if we add 3 or all of the 3 it's okay, but we will go with the rule where there are 2 plus sign and we have to move from left to right. So we have first solved 1 plus 10, that is 11 plus 6, and finally we get the answer as 17. Okay, here is another example where there is 2 power 2 power 3. Okay, so there are two power signs. So if there are same power signs coming two times, it means that we have there is no other operator in the expression, so that we can compare the priority. Now we will be solving which among these two first. Obviously we will be using the associativity rule. In power sign, the associativity rule moves from right to left. So first we have to check 2 power 3. So the answer is 8 here. Then we will be doing 2 power 8 and the answer is 256. Okay, this is how basically the precedence priority is been implemented and the associativity rule is been put. So in our next slides, we will be discussing more about prefix and postfix notations. So this much for this slide. Thank you.